मद्रास हाई कोर्ट से झटका, लेकिन सुप्रीम कोर्ट में कपिल सिब्बल की बड़ी जीत। जी हां, तमिलनाडु के चर्चित तस्माक केस में पूर्व मंत्री सेंथिल बालाजी की गिरफ्तारी पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने स्टे लगा दिया है। कोर्ट रूम में कपिल सिब्बल ने राज्य एजेंसी की एफआईआर को कॉपी पेस्ट बताते हुए कोर्ट के सामने जो दलीलें रखी, उसने पूरे केस का रुख ही मोड़ दिया। आज के इस वीडियो में हम आपको बताएंगे कोर्ट रूम के अंदर की वो इनसाइड स्टोरी और सिब्बल के वो 3 बड़े तर्क, जिन्होंने बालाजी को बड़ी राहत दिलाई।
The High Court says, Malas, now they are not relying on this affidavit. We've done a preliminary inquiry.
In a serious case of corruption of this nature, why anticipatory bail at all, my lords? It's a huge scam, my lords, running into hundreds of crores. Please have a look at that, my lords. Saying that the enforcement directorate should not take any action. Today, what is being done is trying to take advantage of your own wrong, saying that nothing has happened for 4 years, therefore no action should be. And my lords would take it, even a cursory glance would show what kind of scam has occurred.
There's an affidavit filed by the ED in 2025 in this court. Malas, and the person who files the affidavit has now turned against. So he's changed sides, Malas. That's the additional secretary. Because the government changed, Malas. And the FIR is filed, Malas, on 28th of July 2026, relying on that affidavit of the ED, Malas. And your lordships will find that at page 513. Just look at the FIR. The High Court says, Malas, now they are not relying on this affidavit. We've done a preliminary inquiry. Malas, and that inquiry is done on one day. Same day, Malas. Actually, under the law, there have to be 2 inquiries.
We will grant that much margin that instead of that affidavit, you have done a preliminary inquiry. You must have done it also. We have no reason to doubt about that. Preliminary inquiry done. A prima facie case is made out.
Correct.
FIR is registered. All this is lawful recourse. There is no difficulty.
Absolutely.
But everything now, this is 21 to 2020, whenever time he was the minister, the record is in your custody. You are the custodian of the record now. He is no longer a minister.
I know that.
Everything is based upon broadly or documentary evidence.
That won't help, my lords. I'll tell my lords why. 21 to 25, he was in power and ensured that nothing was done to register a case.
But now he is not in power.
He's not. My problem is we delay this anymore, my lords, and try to give any protection.
Saying anything.
No, I'm saying from the side of the state. The prosecution will have difficulty already.
With the investigation.
No, we will carry on, but I am saying that he cannot now say, give me a blanket protection. We'll have to decide what. No, I am saying, my lords, that any more, my lords, indulgence that he wants, he will not. We'll have a problem of evidence going away. It's not just records, my lords. And one more thing, my lords, in a serious case of corruption of this nature, why anticipatory bail at all, my lords? Yeah, that's one, my lords. That's one. Just one more thing, my lords, I have to point out. Now, please see what they are arguing now. 21 to 20. No, I'm just responding to what fell from my lords. I'm saying this. Please see how strange it is. The state files a petition saying that the enforcement directorate should not take any action. Today, what is being done is trying to take advantage of your own wrong, saying that nothing has happened for 4 years, therefore no action should be taken.
Not at that point at all.
Yes.
As a state, you have right.
Yes.
You know, to bring probity in public life, you can do. You have rightly, probably, unless you come for questioning and we find some good ground.
I bow down. Yes.
Because every action, official action is presumed to be.
Absolutely. And my lords would take it, even a cursory glance would show what kind of scam has occurred.
Go ahead with that investigation.
One more aspect, just one more thing, one more thing we need to highlight. Please see the antecedents. There are at least six very serious cases. Please have a look at that, my lords. As minister, when in the previous government and now in this government. Now, this itself is a huge scam, my lords, running into hundreds of crores. Please have a look at that, my lords. With this kind of criminal history, I ask myself this question. Yes.
Saying will not serve anybody's purpose.
No, correct.
Please hold an investigation, hold a scientific, objective, independent investigation.
Yes.
Find out the truth.
Yes.
In case he is guilty, he will have to face consequences.
No, I'm saying this, my lords.
He should escape.
I'm saying this. In the meanwhile, in the process of investigation, if it becomes necessary for us to take him into custody for...
Come to us.
No, I am saying this, my lords. The question is,
The man, he is not going to abscond.
no, but my lords,
Look at
the
so
history
much-
of his attempting to
so
scuttle.
much of stake,
Witnesses.
as you say.
Yes.
In running the government which he was almost running.
Yes, yes,
Five years.
two respective governments,
So-
two
so-
consecutive governments.
This man is not going to jump the investigation and go out of the.
No, he will, my lords. I'll tell my lords why.
We will ensure that he does not.
Yes.
We will ensure that he participates with investigation, and we will ensure that he will not interfere with the investigation. If there is any breach or any perception of breach, please come to.
Just one thing, my lords. I'll tell my lords one thing. I understand what is falling from. Just,
One thing.
there are so many things to be said. There is a reason why, my lords.
File the counter.
There is a previous case, just two sentences. Previous case, my lords reported judgment. In the previous matter, the antecedents that I have shown.
my lord is
They,
aware
my
about
lords, they try to settle with the complainant, have a fixed
Again.
match. That is what my lords have said in a reported judgment.
Mr. Guru, we would have agreed with all of your submissions, but for a significant change in the political climate.
No, my lords, in fact, that's the
And
very
a
reason why
statement
this
is
has been
made.
started.
That
The
we will teach him a
president
lesson.
of the state no longer has the so-called alleged malefic influence of the petitioner.
No, that doesn't matter, my lords. Even when he's not in power, he has been able to carry on the influence. My lord's judgment, my lords, has recorded all of this. In the previous case which I've given, he's so influential.
It is because his influence
It is not
was
fair, my lord.
in the state at that time.
No, but I'm saying independent of that, the kind of history that he has, the witnesses are not safe. Can it be that he gets a blanket order at this stage, my lords?
So at the state, you should not be afraid of these things.
No, but we are not. We are not. But I'm only saying,
But the enthusiasm of the
It's
state
unfair.
brother,
Those- of course.
speaks
You
volume.
appear for state, then it's not unfair.
yeah.
It-
Therefore, my lords, one is his office which he held. But
Right, Mr. Guru, you are afraid that the seductive persuasion may be too much for your client.
no, but I'm only saying this.
We
Please.
will immediately cancel or modify our directions if there is the slightest hint which you place on record of.
We'll do that, my lords. We'll file a counter within a week. We'll file a counter within a week.
They will file. To notice, then transfer some notice on behalf of the respondent state.
Vrinda Bandari.
Vrinda Bandari is there. Vrinda Bandari.
Who is
He-
the advocate?
Vrinda Bhandari.
Vrinda Bandari.
Madam, accept notice on behalf. Then say heard and senior counsel for the parties. It is directed that subject to the petitioner joining and fully cooperating with the ongoing investigation, his arrest shall remain stay. His arrest shall remain stay. The
Deposit passport.
the petitioner is also directed to deposit the passport.
Vrinda, any other conditions that we can say?
And I'll cooperate fully, my lord.
Not influence.
Not influence the witness, because that's one of the most important problems we may face.
Still further.
My lord, it's FIR
one more thing,
number
my lord.
5 of 25, my lord, it's meant 26.
5 of 20.
There's an error, FIR 5 of 26. It should be 5, my lord.
Just
And my
one.
lord, big-
FIR number,
5, FIR
5 of 26. my lords.
2026.
the arrest of the subject to the petitioner joining and fully cooperating with the ongoing investigation.
Only till the next day.
Not intimidating or interfering.
and
Yes, of
not,
course.
With the ongoing investigation so the arrest of the petitioner in FIR number 05
Yes,
of 2020.
26.
From
Any date, any idea date?
28th of
28th of July 2020.
28th of July.
2026 shall remain stay.
Yes.
Till further orders. The petitioner is also directed to deposit his passport with the investigating officer.
and his
Because
personal
we got
appearance
the bail order
was
this
taken.
morning,
Because
allowed
then
to file additional grounds.
He has to,
We got
he has to
the
respond.
High Court
to the
order this
investigation.
morning.
Cooperate, it says.
So
Yes.
liberty to amend the petition because we got the order,
Exemption from-
additional grounds.
Statement.
Yes.
No
Yes,
exemption from
yes.
personal appearance.
And then come up before us. if
He's not
necessary for custody.
Yes.
Yes.
That's right.
Along with copy of the included judgment of the
Passport is already deposited. I don't know why they want it. Mullah.
He's not.
We want it so that you don't go to Nepal or
Yeah,
something.
But I can't have another
From
passport.
You
personal
never know. You can have many.
Just two other things, my lord.
Then you wouldn't know.
Two other aspects, my lord. Two other aspects.
You are making mentioning of some list.
But this is a matter of
Let's,
emergency.
Two other things.
This is a matter of extreme emergency. Pertains to the life of a 26-year-old boy who fell into the sea in Black Sea. while he was sailing on a ship, and the ship was shot down by a drone attack. Now, my lord, I am running from pillar to post, from authority to authority. Now, embassy is, no, Indian External Affairs Ministry is pushing me towards the embassies. Now, the thing is that the water flow was from Ukraine towards Romania. Now, Romanian embassy is saying that it's the jurisdiction of Ukraine embassy. Ukraine embassy saying that it's the issue of Romanian embassy.
Should we say that?
Now, one good news is that 2 sailors have been found and they are under treatment. We are asking the Indian authorities to go and at least identify that whether it is one of our Indian brothers. Even that is not happening, my lord. I have already filed writ petition under 32, my lord.
Can we take it on Tuesday, Monday, already there are a lot of rush.
My lord, if in case he is still in water, there is no search and
No.
rescue operations are happening.
Petitioner is the brother.
Petitioner is the brother of one of the persons who is. My lord, I just need directions for the Indian Ministry of External Affairs to at least have some
Monday we
diplomatic.
can, all right, Monday we will adjust.
My lord, if there is a little scope for him to.
My lords, I had some, my lords, I had a request to make in the other matter, my lords. We had mentioned in between. One is, my lords, we'll file a counter within a week.
4 weeks we have granted.
No, we'll file within, in fact, 2
Oh,
weeks, my lords.
just show,
We'll
my
file.
lord, this is the kind of
And
thing
liberty
that
to
the
mention
state-
for any, my lords, problem, will please give us.
No exemption. for
Don't
personal
go
appearance.
I
oversensitive.
do.
I want a shorter date.
Political matters, how they.
No, but then, my lords, here, this is a.
This
real
court
serious-
already stayed the.
Just one more, I think, my lords, they, my lords, having got this, how they have used their office, I mean, better, less said the better, my
He's
lords.
appeared for state of
Give a
Tamil
date,
Nadu.
give a date, you exact after 3 weeks.
Very well.
My lord, can we keep it from Monday?
Monday we are listing your matter.
Sir, Saturday, sir, please.
Saturday.
If there is a little chance for him to survive, he may survive.
We do not know anything, but Monday we can list at the bench. We don't, you send the petition, we will examine what can be done. You give your petition immediately.
I have given,
Complete in all respect, we will see what can be done.